In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Woocommerce order status. Whether you're running a small shop or a large e-commerce platform, staying on top of your orders is critical. Thankfully, Woocommerce simplifies this process, allowing you to update order statuses quickly, which helps keep your operations smooth and your customers informed. So, let's dive into the steps to modify an order status in Woocommerce. First up, we need to access the backend of your website. For this, you'll head over to the WordPress dashboard. Navigating to your WordPress dashboard is your starting point for a multitude of tasks, including managing your WooCommerce orders. Once you're in the dashboard, you're just a few clicks away from accessing your orders. Now that we're in the WordPress dashboard, the next step is to find the Orders section. You'll see a sidebar menu on your dashboard, which contains various options. Look for WooCommerce or directly for Orders and click on it. This action will direct you to a page that lists all the orders your shop has received. These orders are neatly organized and provide a quick snapshot of their current status, purchase details, and more. Upon clicking Orders, you're now ready to select the specific order you wish to update. On the Orders page, each order is displayed alongside pertinent details like the order number, customer name, date of purchase, total amount, and current status. Browse through this list or use the search function to find the specific order you're looking for. When you've located the order, simply click on it to proceed. This step is crucial as it allows you to access and review the order details before making any changes. Once you've selected an order and are viewing its details, you'll notice various pieces of information displayed, such as the customer's billing and shipping address, the items they've purchased, and, most importantly for our task, the order status. The order status can be seen as a drop-down menu or a selection box depending on your WooCommerce setup. Here you'll find several statuses to choose from: pending payment, processing, on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, and failed. Select the appropriate status for your order. For instance, if you've just shipped out the product, you might change the status to completed to reflect that the order has been fulfilled. After selecting the new status, your last step is to save these changes. Look for the Update button, typically located on the right side of the screen. By clicking Update, you commit the changes to the system, and the order status is officially changed. This action not only updates your records, but also triggers any automated notifications set up to inform your customers about the status of their order. It's a crucial step that keeps everyone in the loop and ensures transparency in the order fulfillment process. Changing an order status in WooCommerce is a straightforward task, yet it's pivotal for the smooth operation of your e-commerce business. It helps in managing customer expectations, organizing your fulfillment process, and maintaining accurate records of your business transactions. Remember, staying on top of your order statuses will not only benefit your workflow, but also enhance the customer experience by keeping your clients informed at every step of their purchase journey. To wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and efficiency of WooCommerce in facilitating such necessary tasks. The feature of updating order statuses is just one of the many tools at your disposal to ensure your online shop runs as smoothly as possible. With this knowledge, you're one step closer to enhancing your e-commerce management skills, leading to greater satisfaction for you and your customers. So go ahead, try it out, and watch as your e-commerce operations improve significantly. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to change the WooCommerce order status. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to streamline your online business operations.